guys, I am Shreyas and this is Smartphones Corner. Now I am going to unbox the Asus Zenfone Max, which is a budget-oriented device, and the price quoted on here is 10,000, but it is sold in via Amazon for 9,000, and this is 16 GB RAM, 2 GB RAM and 16 GB internal storage, and this comes with another variant which is 3 GB RAM and 32 GB memory, which priced at 13,000. And just to use a brief, that's like pixel master camera, Bluetooth LAN, 4G device, HD screen, and humongous 5000 mAh battery. Let's take out the device and let's see it. Keep it side. And let's see inside the box. Inside the box we get Asus stickers, warranty card, and some paperwork. In this video, get a OTG cable, which is nice that Asus is bundled in this smartphones. Here gets a USB Type C cable. I will get a charger, which is, let me see the reading. 5 watt per 1.5 amp charger, which is a normal charger, not fast charger. Keep this box to the side. Let's check out the fast set. Let's zoom it out. And here's it, guys. It has some patterns, which is glossy finish, but it's plastic, guys. Let me give a confusing overview. On the top we have 3.5 mm headphone jack. On this side we have volume rockers, power on off button. There some texture which gives a good feeling. On this side we have micro USB port, main microphone. This side we have nothing, and it's metal, guys. Like this are metal. And a friendly earpiece, and 5 MP camera, some sensors, home button, back button, and menu button. On that side we have dual tone LED flash, the 10 MP camera, lay sort of focus, second noise cancellation, microphone, and speakers is brand. And is here you can open, guys. Open it. It's tight. It's open well, guys. See, and the battery is fixed 5000 mAh battery. Here you can first sim, second sim, and a micro SD card which accepts droppers, dual sim, guys, and it's plastic. Let me put it and it gave me haptic feedback. Tell it, it boot it up and set it up. Let me take a break. And it's booted, guys, and this has an IPS LCD screen. Take this aside, and it's open, guys. The viewing angles are so nice. I think yes, it has auto brightness sensor, so I can keep full. Nice that some budget device do not get this feature. And here it is, lot of bloatware are downloaded, so you must delete all this, or else your mobile will lag. It's nice, guys, nice UI. This runs on Asus Zen UI, which is OK ones, and it is nearly to stock, and why all the people's like this. Let's change on Android version and settings. Size about phone, and Android version is 6.0.1. It's a marshmallow in the box. Side, button. It's typical UI guys, and nothing special. Here comes the widget. And biggest thing is just double tap to power off and on like this guys. Double tap on, double tap off, double tap off, double tap on. It's nice that Asus is given the gestures. Now let's test the camera. Take some photos like this. This is a good size. Nice. Let's test this. But it comes good. No lightness, anything. The camera is good in this phone. Let me show some photos so you can get a better idea of this phone. Stay tuned this. Goodbye.